Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you turn off audio normalization on your Spotify app. So without further ado, let's go right into it. So go over to your profile here in the upper left side, go over to settings and privacy, and most probably you will see here the normalize option here. So you just have to search for that here, normalize volume here. You just have to go ahead and toggle it, enable, disable it, and you can also adjust the volume level here. So there, but for some reason if this does not work like we are encountering sometimes, then you just have to check on your App Store or Play Store if you have the latest version of Spotify installed. So as you can see, I have a toggle update button. You just have to update this one, and that should fix the issue altogether. So I will not update that because it's working for me, but if for some reason it's not working for you, you just have to update it, and most of the time that will fix it. But if still not, so let's go over to the app manager and just clear the cache and data of our Spotify. So just search for Spotify here, and then go over to storage, clear data, clear cache, then clear data, and hit OK. So what this will do is it will only log you out. It will not affect your account negatively. So you just have to log in again, and that should solve your issue. Okay, so there guys, so you just have to check whether or not that's working for you. If for some reason it's not working for you still, you just have to go ahead and wait, because most probably the Spotify app is having a maintenance. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.